Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Lena Massey Beauty. Today we're going to be talking about hair. Let's go! Okay, comment below if you have fine hair. My hair has pretty much zero texture to it. I washed it yesterday and I just let it air dry, and this is what it looks like. It's really straight and just like slightly wavy in the back. It definitely has some more texture back here. I wish that all of my head were like this. I have really fine hair. I have a cowlick up here in the front and I have two big cowlicks here in the back, which makes my hair go in all the directions. So if you are anything like me and struggle with any of these problems, I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite tricks. Okay, so first up is this dry shampoo. Let's try to get it to focus here. Ask, I want to say, is the brand. Super great. I've been using this brand for a while now and I really like it. Free of sulfates, parabens, artificial colors. I believe it does have fragrance in it. I'm just noticing. Yes, parfum slash fragrance. That's a bummer. I didn't even know that until I was just looking at it closely right now. So that's too bad. It is the last ingredient, so it doesn't have a ton in it, but that's a bummer. Let me know if you have a clean favorite dry shampoo, because dry shampoo is a must, and apparently this isn't quite as good as I was thinking it was. Okay, so I just spray that on my head, let it kind of soak in a little bit. I even use this on the first day that I have washed my hair, like yesterday I used some. And then every day or every other day after that, depending on what I'm doing. And then I'm going to use one of these brushes. I think you can get one at Walmart. They're just like maybe $5. This is just the Conair brand. And this is perfect for teasing your hair. So what I'm going to do is just start kind of not quite at the crown of my head, or not quite in the middle of my head, a little bit further back. And I'm just going to part it. And then just a couple teases. And then same thing. I'm just taking little rectangular sections. Teasing them just a little bit. And then I grab some hairspray. This is the Nexus hairspray. Same thing with hairspray. Let me know if you have a great clean version, because I like this one, but I am positive that it's not clean. This is a 2 medium hold, which I actually have really been liking. It doesn't feel sticky or weird. It's just nice. Then I'm just going to lightly comb over the top of that to make it all lay flat, and to make sure that like the top of, you know, you don't want your actual, like this hair right here teased. You would want, you know, this to be straight and just underneath to be a little bit teased. Don't go crazy on the teasing, or, you know, you're gonna have this like huge bump at the back of your head and you're gonna look nuts. But if you have cowlicks, teasing is a must. And then the best thing for fine hair is a texture spray. This is the brand Navy, and I'm fine with it. I don't know. I don't think it's clean. And my sister gave it to me because she liked it, did not like it, and or didn't need it anymore. and I'm just fine with it. It smells really strong. I wouldn't buy it again. But use whatever texture spray you love or you have on hand. And this is just like the best thing for fine hair. Like, I wish I had known this in high school. When my hair kind of made me a little crazy. And if you want to be a witch for Halloween, then use this stuff. And you can just like go like this. And you'll be set. No, this stuff is so great for giving your hair just like a little bit of volume and body. Because my homegirls and me with really fine hair, it just naturally lays really flat, doesn't have much body or texture, so this is really great. And then if I was going to curl my hair or crimp it, I would just go in with a heat protectant spray and then curl it and make it fabulous. So definitely use a couple of these tips and tricks if you have fine hair like me, just to give yourself some more volume. I especially love to crimp my hair. I think it's such a fun way to get lots of volume right at the root and really give me some volume on top of my head. Because otherwise my hair just lays really flat and I feel like it's just like I feel like I look like this in my head. Does anybody else relate? Please tell me I'm not the only one. Anyway, friends, thank you so much for watching. Get yourself some dry texture spray if you too have fine hair. Please comment, let me know your hair struggles. Let's work through them together. Subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.